I found this product on Amazon and it's doing quite a decent amount of sales. But to me, it looks quite flat and it's not following the best practices and the standard for the current 2026 state of optimized content, because it looks kind of cheesy. The graphic design is cheap. The label is not optimized, probably maybe for the messaging, but it lacks this high perceived value and people are buying with their eyes. And it's kind of here, it's especially in the supplement niche, it's important to build trust with the content. And I show you now a quick fix and a super effective approach on how to get optimized content. I think it will take like 5 to 10 minutes. And yeah, we will even uplift the whole branding. Let's get into it. I already added this product to Scalable. And here you see the auto-generated images. They got generated with the main image as a reference. So you see, nothing has been done yet. So everything what was handled by Scalable automatically. So let's get here into it. And as you remember, the listing I showed you a couple of seconds ago, here is the Scalable version. And the problem with AI is that it uses your input and builds on top of that. Means when there is garbage in, the garbage comes out again. So it's all about to managing the input the best way possible. The better the input, the better the output. So our task is now to increase the quality of the input for the image generation. And in Scalable, we have two options. We can upload product references, and I advise you to add different angles, different perspectives, different states of your product, because AI needs that context. The second area, what we will focus on, to add proper brand style references. And this will be a quick and dirty, hacky version. So first of all, let's download this main image. Since this is not my product, I only have the main image available here. Let's upload it here. And branding is something that takes a lot of time, and especially a strategic one costs a couple thousands. And as a supplement brand, this is something I advise you to invest in, because this separates you in the market, and also the perceived value will be increased and your content will build more trust. So now let's get into this hack I want to show you. Here we are on Pinterest, and this is a great area to get inspirations. And since I'm lazy and want to see where the limits are, let's go with a health mood board. So, and let's browse here through it. So what you have here, this is probably way too busy, and try to find a way of inputting like a good reference, but also not too much. So yeah, feel free to experiment here. And I think I've seen something cool here. Yeah, here, what's actually a brand style? So it has like the colors, some references in the aesthetics, yeah, from photos and other elements here. Also a little bit of graphic design. So maybe let's go with this one and just save it. Righty. Back to Scalable. Let's upload it here. And it doesn't matter where you upload it. There are just two slots where you can put in these information and references. And I want to keep it quite raw without any editing. So let's trigger now the next version with only the main image and this new brand style. Here, all right, we're through it. Let's get back to the first slot. So it took now a couple of seconds and the images are generated. And the main image, it actually has no effect because it's plain white, just a product. So let's go to the gallery images. And here we have like a generic woman. And here you probably, I would assume that this is a little bit more natural and more the audience. So there's already improvements. Also here, before and after. And then, yeah, this energy one, this looks like, yeah, not that trustworthy. And here you see it gets a little bit more vibe. Maybe let's see what they currently have. So yeah, make your own opinion about their current content. So what do we have here? It's mostly about the usage. So yeah, there you go. Here, no lifestyles, but also clear communication, lifestyle shot, and yeah, with the product, but without people. So I would trigger way more. And here you see, okay, maybe even used by men. Yeah, here, a generic 100% satisfaction guarantee and some golden badges. And here you get, yeah, a more natural vibe. Else do we have here? Alrighty. Then number 6, we have here already checked this out. So again, a lifestyle with some icons. And then here, this was already quite easy. And yeah, AI will hallucinate here because it doesn't have context about the other products. So if you like to do assortment shots, always upload like all the products that should be shown here. All right. So yeah, feel free to make your own opinion. If there is a improvement, in my opinion, there is. So the process is quite straightforward. Upload product references, get something from here, Pinterest, what you like, what fits, and it doesn't take too much time. So we basically rip these brand styles from somewhere else. And yeah, feel free to test multiple and go ahead with the one that works best for you. And in my opinion, you can massively improve the results that will be created in and or generated in Scalable.